Our objective for today will be to multiply non-unit fractions by non-unit fractions. So if I were given with the problem 2/3 of 3/4, first I will attempt to solve this by using a model that will be a rectangular array. I'm reminding you again, the first factor is the rows, the second is the columns. I need to start with the second number, which is my columns, and I will draw an array with 4 columns. Here it is, and according to my problem, I need to shade 3 out of the 4 columns. All right, 1, 2, and 3. Now, out of these 3/4, I need 2/3. So I will look at my rows. I need 3 rows. Here they are. I'm going to draw them. And I need 2 out of what is already shaded. I need 2 rows out of what is already shaded. So I'm going to start out shading. Here is 1 row of what is already shaded. I don't care what is not shaded. And 2 rows. Now, how many blocks are selected? I see 6 out of 12, which is my whole, which I can further simplify by dividing them both by 6, which is 1/2. Let's confirm the result of this multiplication by what we shared in our previous video. If I multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator, I will get to the same result. So 2 times 3, 6, and 3 times 4, 12. There it is, 6 out of 12, which is 1/2. The same answer. Let's solve another example. Let's say let's solve another example. Let's say I need 2/3 of 2/3. I'm reminding myself again that the first number is the rows and the second the columns. So I will always start with the second number, which is 2/3. So I need an array with 3 columns. Here it is, and I need 2 out of these 3. So here you are. I'm going to shade 2 out of these 3. So I have 2/3. Then I will move on to my rows, and I need to identify 2/3 out of these 2/3. So I need also 3 rows. So there you are. I have 3 rows, and I only need 2 rows of what is already shaded. So I will select 2/3 out of these 2/3 and only. So I need to count what has been double shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 9, which is my whole, because this is a 3 by 3 array. So let's confirm again by multiplying the numerator with the numerator, which is 2 times 2, 4, and the denominator with the denominator, 3 times 3, 9. There it is, 4 9s, both with the model and by multiplying numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator.